Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at your Facebook stories. And just for this particular video, we're going to be using my new whiteboards, my new little present. I've got quite a few nice coloured pens. Anyway, back to seriousness. What I'm going to be doing with this is I want to just explain to you the differences between Facebook stories, because sometimes it can be a little bit confusing. So on Facebook, we have two different types of Facebook stories. We have our personal profile. So our profile is us, okay? That's you as a person, not as a business. Then we have our business stories, which are linked to your Facebook business page. Now, when I say they're linked to your Facebook business page, what I mean by that is that they represent your business, okay? Whereas your profile represents you. However, the magic thing about Facebook stories is that you can use your personal Facebook stories to promote your business stories and your business, because it only stays in the feed for 24 hours. So Facebook's not going to tell you off for putting business orientated posts onto your profile, because after 24 hours, they're going to disappear. So just want to go through some of the things you're going to learn in this module. We're going to be looking at your personal profile actually has highlights that hardly anyone knows about. So I'm going to show you how to start setting up your highlights. Now, on the mobile, which I'll show you in a moment, they are visible to people when they go to your profile. When they scroll down, they'll see your highlights. And I've been using mine as ways into my business, okay? And then we have the reason that we're going to be doing this is to raise awareness of your business inside of your Facebook profile, okay? Then over on your Facebook business page, you have business stories. They work exactly the same way as your profile ones and the ones on Instagram. They last for 15 seconds and they're on your story for 24 hours. Inside of your Facebook business stories, you can have a link without having to pay without having to pay or having 10,000 followers. And it can lead them into your sales funnel. So they can actually sign up for email subscribers. They can also buy your products. They can also book calls with you. They can call you. They can find directions to where you work. This is really, really cool, and not that many people are utilizing. This is even better because what you can do is you can cross-populate the two. Now, you can do a post as a person and tag your business page in. You can also tag the other way. So in your business, you can tag yourself, which means that if you tag yourself, you can actually share your business stories to your personal profile. So you see how you can utilize both of the stories from just being the one person. You can also bring your highlights can actually increase visibility over on your business, because when you put your business orientated posts into highlights that you do on your profile, they drive people to your business. Okay. Obviously, we're going to raise awareness with both our business stories and our personal stories. So I just wanted you to just see how it works, because when I start talking about it, it can get a little bit confusing, and it's probably a little bit confusing now. So once you actually start practicing it, you'll see how it works. So basically, primarily we will be posting to our business page, but stories sit up at the top of the feed, and your personal story and your business story can sit alongside each other. You can put different content here, but tag your business in it so that people know that you've got a business. So there's certain posts throughout the week that you can do to raise the profile of your business on your personal profile. And the highlights, what you'll do is once you start creating your stories, you can start saving them to your personal highlights the same way as we save them on Instagram. Okay, so I hope that's helped a little bit. Okay, brilliant. So I will see you in the next video. And do let me know if you like my whiteboard.